How to contact McDonald's customer service. Hello and welcome back to official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can contact them and how you can get your issues solved. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web browser. In my case, I'm using Chrome. As you open it, type in McDonald's website. You will see its official website and the first search result. Tap open it. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. And here you will see Contact Us. Tap Open it. Under here you will see other options as well. Tap on Contact Us Overview. As you do so, now here you have to enter your details. Under your info, type in your first name, last name, your personal email, and your phone number. If your email address is different from personal email, you can enter that email in the last box. As you do so, tap on to Submit. If you would like to reset this page, all you have to do is tap on Reset and tap on Yes. If you do so, you will have to enter all your details again. Just like so, this is how you can contact customer service of McDonald's. If you would like to see more videos on this, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can never miss an update from us.